Alright, so we are given equations of 4 lines and we have to find out the nature of the quadrilateral formed by these 4 lines. So straight away we can see that 2 of the lines are parallel and the remaining 2 are parallel as well, this one and this one. Another thing we notice is, so basically we have a parallelogram at our hands, and another thing is that these 2 lines are perpendicular to each other, so one of the angles can be said to be 90 degrees. So a parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degrees will obviously become a rectangle. Now let's see if it is a square. We know how to do that. We know the formula for the perpendicular distance between 2 parallel lines, right? It is, let's just do it. So it is mod of C1 minus C2. So this will become 5 minus 5 upon, we have under root of a square plus b square. So under root 3 square plus 4 square, it's a Pythagorean triplet, so it will become 5. And we have, this will just be 10 upon 5, so that is just 2. Now let's check for the remaining 2 lines, this and this. So 5 minus 5 is again 10, and we have under root again 3 square plus 4 square, so that will be 5. So we are left with 2. Alright. So let us draw a figure, because we are getting this as a square. And we are given that we have to find out the equation of the circle inscribing and circumscribing the quadrilateral. So let's draw the circles as well. So this will be the circle inscribing. And this will be the circle circumscribing. Alright. So in this figure, the given lines are in this way, right? So if we find out the points of intersection of 2 of these lines, then the center of the circle will be the midpoint of this line. So we have to find out the points of intersection of 2 opposite lines, like 2 lines which are perpendicular to each other and opposite sets of such lines. So let's do it for the first and the second equation. So that will be 3x plus 4y is equal to 5 and 4x minus 3y is equal to 5. So multiplying both of these equations, the first one by 3 and the second one by 4, and subtracting, the y term will get cancelled and we are left with 9 plus 16, so that is 25x is equal to 15 plus 20, so that is 35. So x is equal to, we get 7 by 5. Substituting it in the first equation, 21 by 5, so 4y is equal to 5 minus 21 by 5. So this will become 4 will get cancelled and we are left with 1 by 5. So one of the points is 7 by 5 and 1 by 5. Now let's do the same thing for the remaining 2 equations. So multiplying this equation by, okay, let's just write it. 3x plus 4y is equal to, it will become minus 5. 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. Multiplying the first equation by 3 and second by 4 and subtracting, we get 25x is equal to minus 15 minus 20, so minus 35. So x is equal to minus 7 by 5. And y will be, so 4y is equal to minus 5 plus 21 by 5. So y is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay. So this is the second point. This is minus 7 by 5 and this is minus 1 by 5. So we can clearly see that the midpoint of these two lines is 0, 0. So 0, 0 is the center of both of our circles, the inscribed and the circumscribed as well. So now we can write the equation. We know that this whole thing is 2, like the side of the square is 2. So the radius of the circle inscribing will be 1. So the equation of the circle inscribing the square is x square plus y square is equal to 1. And next, if this is 1, this is also 1. So by 45, 45, 90, this will become root 2. Root 2. So obviously the equation of the circle circumscribing is x square plus y square is equal to root 2 square, that is 2. And these are our two answers.